Welcome to Orchard View. We're on the top of the Blackdown Hills. We have Honiton, Wellington close by. We've got countryside walks everywhere around you. It's a fantastic village to be in the village of Dunk as well. We really need to show you this amazing property. It is fit for multi-generational use for a large family. Come on inside and let's have a look around Orchard View. So our clients have been here 18 years and they've transformed this property and taken it from a single story bungalow to a very versatile multi-generational home that offers 2 bedrooms and a bathroom downstairs, 3 further bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. And you can see the head height's right, the aspect is right. So it really does give you amazing opportunities within this accommodation. But like most homes, you need to come and see it to really appreciate it. Now you won't be disappointed when you come outside. We're in enclosed level gardens. We have a block paved driveway to the front, plenty of parking. Did I mention a 30-foot garage? So if you have vehicles, hobbies, man cave, it's absolutely ideal. And then at the back, we've got this beautiful garden where there's room for everything. And you've got morning sun through to afternoon and evening sun. It's an absolute delight. You do really need to come and see this property. Give us a call to do so. And the other extra fantastic part of this is our clients have no ongoing purchase requirements. So if you decide you like to buy it, we can get things moving.